gentlemen, thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are going to cut out a windshield on this Mercedes E350, and you can see I've got my iron hide covers in place. These things showed up, and let me tell you, they are sweet. So excellent construction, having no problems so far, and actually really easy to set up. Takes maybe about 4 minutes. Probably get a little bit faster as time goes on. That said, let's cut out a windshield. Going to be using our WRD Orange Bat QC Black Edition, and pull our line out here a little bit and stick it to our windshield. And when you mount your black bat or orange bat, you're going to want to mount it about halfway ish between your either rear view mirror or your camera shroud here and your pillar cover. So this one has a retainer, so we are going to push this one down. You see we got the little curve in our threader here, and actually add a little bit more to that, and we're going to push this one down instead of up so we can get underneath this retainer here. So push that up so it rides the body, drive it down, pull it back out, set our guards here. And I know a lot of these are stickers, but always make sure that your guard goes over that VIN plate, because there are vehicles out there that have attached VIN plates, and if you're not paying attention you can cut those off, and that's an expensive mistake. Draw out some line here. These Mercedes have a rolled pinch weld, so we are not too concerned about cutting into our pinch weld, but you still want to watch out for plastics and stuff like this that you can get hooked on here. So we're going to make sure we run this nice and tight along that retainer, hook it underneath there, up around our side, pull that tight. Sure we're under our glass. You can see right here, just hook that. It winds up between the layers. You don't want that. You want to be underneath the glass, between the molding and the glass, if there's a molding. Make sure you are under the retainer over here and not hooked around that wiper stud there. Pull out your slack. And jump in here. We're going to draw our slack up. Make sure when you're drawing your slack up, you're not hooked around any of the controls on the steering wheel. The nice thing about this iron hide dash cover, it's got a nice long flap, so you're protecting the dashboard over here as well. You can lay it up and over your controls here on the steering wheel so you don't get hooked on anything. Definitely worth the price of admission. So grab our drag and cut out a glass. Hold our line tight right here. We do not want to cut that fabric on that pillar cover. Looks like we might have an adhesion problem up there. And I'm gonna draw along the bottom here. Sorry, didn't mean to bump your head. Looks like we're pulling out those little decking blocks down there. I'm going to stop right about there. Paying attention to our cutting angles on the bottom, you can usually get at least halfway. Once you get anything beyond that, you want to stop. Otherwise, you're just going to add unnecessary tension to your line and snap it, either on the spool or in the middle of the line. And that just makes for frustration. Switch sides here, move our bat to the other side. These are on their way, I promise. They just got an order for some of them in, and I will make a video announcement as soon as I get word that they are on the site and available. So Going to make sure our line is up above our headliner up here, up above all of our wires. We're going to use the camera shroud here to hold our line up there in the beginning of this cut, and then when we get back over to here, we'll hold it up again. So put our drag in place, draw up that slack, make sure you're between the glass and your dash protector, and you can see this is holding the line up right there. Switch to single-handed mode. You're grabbing your drag, you can see I can let it loose a little bit so it slides, or I can grip it tighter. And we are free and clear, ready to lift out this windshield. And that is cutting out a Mercedes E350 with your WRD Orange Bat QC. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.